Hi, my name is Marietta Mehanni, and I want to go through a really cool, simple arm combination that I love doing it in class. So watch this. We're going to circle in with the right arm, circle with both arms, circle out with the left arm, circle with both arms. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and it's really cool. So you start with one arm, then you go to two arms, and then you're going to the opposite arm, but it's circling out, but everything is circling the same way. And of course, then you would do it on the other side. So in, twice, both, twice, right arm only, both arms. And it's a great core exercise. My feet are working really hard to try and stay on the bottom of the pool. I can feel my glutes activating as well to try and stabilize the body. Now, what we often don't talk about when we do arms in the pool is what the lower body is doing to stay stable, which is anchor your feet down. That's just telling them what to do. We're not telling them what they're feeling. And what you need to do is identify, which you can only do if you try this in the water, what muscles are working. So when I go 1, 2, I feel the adductor on my left leg working. Both arms, I feel the glute on this left side working. This arm, glute again, adductor, both arms. If I do it on the other side, and it's 1, hang on, that's what I was just doing. 1, 2, if it's right arm, it then goes to the right side. 1, 2, both, out, both. So the glutes play a really important role with stabilizing the body. Now my fingers are spread apart with that claw position, which I love. We're going big, so we're circling the arm all the way out so the arms fully extend out, so that they're not just coming in like this and making it small. We've got that really big motion, but it's such a nice little arm combination that's easy to pick up, that feels fantastic to do. So go ahead, add it to your class, give it a go in the pool yourself, and that is this week's Aqua Tip. Demonstrating this exercise on pool deck is super easy. Of course, all you have to do is start with your feet apart. Now, in the pool, I know I sort of actually demonstrated 2 slight variations. So I started with circling in, arms going out, this arm going out, this arm circling out. So everything's going that way, right? And then of course you can start on the left, do the same thing on the left. And when I'm teaching this to my class, I just go straight into that combination on one side. Then I do something else, and then I repeat the same combination on the other side. I don't break it down and just launch straight into it. It's pretty simple, but just enough variety and complexity in it that your class has to pay attention. That's always good. So one of the things that we don't talk about much when we're in the pool is about what we feel in our inner thighs and our glutes. And when you get them to focus on that, you'll know that they are effectively activating their core if they can actually feel those muscles working. So the key thing here to remember, because I know that I sort of started circling out, it doesn't matter which side you start with, it's the leg that's on the same side. So when you're circling in, it will be your inner thigh here, circling out with both arms, it's this glute, circling this way, it's still that adductor, and then both arms. And the main reason why you're feeling it on that side, regardless of where the arms are going, is because you're circling that way, right? So your body is trying to stop you from moving in that direction. So you're going to be pushing your feet down into the pool floor, circle in, this adductor is going to activate both arms, and then your glute's going to switch on. This arm, the adductor is still working because you're still circling the water in that direction. Just remember that, okay? So if you start with your left arm, it's going to be your left leg, and that's circle in. Your body wants to go this way, so you're trying to not go that way. So you use the adductor, both hands, the glutes come on, and then when it's one arm again, but still going in that direction, it's that adductor. So I just wanted to clarify that, because even when I was watching my video, I was going, oh, hello, what's going on here? But I knew what I was feeling and I knew what I was communicating. So just clarifying any sort of, what was that about in the pool? Now, the key thing here is to let them know what they need to feel down here, and then to reassure them if they do feel it. One, they are activating their core effectively, and two, they're pulling their arms through the water with enough intensity. If they can't feel it, then it's the intensity that's an issue. Get them to spread their fingers open and really drag that water around. So easy exercise to demonstrate. Just remember the cues in regards to where they're supposed to feel it. And that is this week's Aqua Tip.